Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Afro-Carol here. So today we are making mandazi for tomorrow breakfast. So here you can see I have my cooking oil. I have pumpkin. This is pumpkin which has already been blended. And I have some 2 eggs. I also have pumpkin powder or pumpkin pie, as you can see. And I have this. This is the best of the best. This cardamom is good for mandazi. It makes mandazi to smell so good and so fresh. And I have warm milk, so I'm using this and this. So keep watching as I'm mixing our mandazi. So here we are. I'm going to start with the eggs. Sugar and sugar. Just 2 tablespoons sugar because you don't need a lot of sugar. Then I will whisk not too much. Then I'll add oil. Tablespoons of oil. This one I'm going to use 1 table, as you can see. You can mix it on the floor direct, you can mix it on the inside these mixtures, and also pumpkin pie. I'll add it a spoon. Already I have a pumpkin. That will do. Then I whisk it. See, this is a lot before even I add milk and this pumpkin. Also, guys, I love my mandazi with a pinch of salt. This is a pinch of salt. So that's how I do my mandazi. Look at this mix. See? I hope you're able to see. And then we add in pumpkin itself. See that? Let me whisk it. See? I'm not adding the milk first. Here is my flour. I'm using normal flour for chapati. I don't have the one for mandazi. That one we didn't buy. I'm using this. This is a cup. 1 cup. 2. 2 and a half. And I'll pause there. And also I'm using baking powder because the flour is not self-raising flour, so I need baking. I'm going to add a whole spoon, 1 spoon of a baking, or 1 and a half, like this much. Hope you're seeing. I add a little more because I want my mandazi to come out perfect. So guys, there you see. So we start mixing it up. Let me knead the dough. Meet you the other side. So here we are. My dough is ready, guys. see this one here, like eating my doughs each time when I'm making. He has come to the kitchen to eat some dough. That is his work. He loves the dough. I don't know why. So I'm going to wrap it and let it rise for like 1 hour before I start cooking it. So give me 1 hour, guys. See you later. So guys, this is our oil for mandazi. I'm waiting for it to become hot before I start. Here I am. But you don't need to roll it so much. It is so soft because of the pumpkin. It makes the dough so soft. Because we are making mandazi, you don't need to make it perfect. This is the shape I want. Can you see? I hope you are able to see from there and from here. And I will really roll these ones again. So wait for the oil. I test my oil with this smaller one. You can see. Yeah, the oil is hot enough. If it rises up, means that the oil is hot enough. I can put. You see, it is even itself. Yeah, it's hot. So let us put number 2, number 3, that's 4, that's 5, 6. After putting, and I'm putting it here. Look at that, guys. It's cooking. Mandazi. So there we are. This is our first round. It is cooked. Right here. Here we are. Look at that. Put more. So this is our second last, and those are the ones that are remaining. Look at this, guys. This is the one which you have cooked already. Looks so nice. Very yummy. So yeah. Oh, very hot. So let me add the last ones inside. Be careful with your hands. The oil is burning. So we are done. The gas is off. This is our last mandazi, guys. Oh, sorry. Oh, the piece fell off. It's so full. My benzene is full. So do you see that, guys? So this is our pumpkin mandazi. So it is for tomorrow breakfast, Sunday. So this is what we are having for our Sunday. But even now, if someone wants to taste, you are most welcome to taste this delicious mandazi. If you want to know the recipes, I will request you to go to the description box so that you will find out all my recipes for my mandazi. Next time, I will make a different one with a different recipe. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for helping my channel to grow. God bless all of you. I wish you a good night. I love you.